everyone, my name's Lindsay and today we have a special guest, Zippy, and today we'll be making fruit tarts. Super exciting. I know Zippy's excited, that's for sure. So we have pretty much prepared everything and we'll just go ahead and get started. This is a fabulous way to get in your daily intake of fruits. What is fun about these is the kids can make these tarts by creating their own patterns and colors with all the different kinds of fruits. So let's get started. This recipe serves 6 with 1 tart per serving. The materials we will be using today is a cutting board, a fork, sharp knife, medium mixing bowl, measuring spoons, small mixing bowl, measuring cups, heavy skillet, baking sheet, and/or a rolling pin. As for the ingredients, we'll be using 6 slices of whole wheat sandwich bread. We want to slice the edges of the bread off. This is totally optional for those who like the crust. 4 ounces low-fat cream cheese at room temperature. It is best to first remove the cream cheese from the refrigerator to allow it to warm up so it's easily spreadable. 1.5 tablespoons of skim milk. You want to use a small mixing bowl and mix together cream cheese and milk with a fork until smooth. Now you can go ahead and stir in your honey and vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 cups cut up of your favorite fruit. A little tip from Zippy for y'all is to use what's in season to really enhance your nutritional intake, such as diced mangoes, apples, pears, melons, pineapples, berries, oranges, or even grapefruit. If you're wondering how to cut a pineapple, this is how. Now to begin our preparation, we want to preheat the oven to 350. We then want to flatten the slices of bread with either a rolling pin or the bottom of a heavy skillet. Place the 6 slices of bread on a baking sheet and bake until crisp or golden brown. About 10 minutes in the oven on 350 and then let cool for 5 minutes. Okay guys, to get started, we're gonna need our slices of bread, and Zippy actually already baked them, rolled it out with her rolling pan. So we'll go ahead and grab these. These are all set to go. And what we're gonna do is grab our cream cheese mix, our cream cheese spread. We use cream cheese, vanilla, and a little bit of milk and honey, of course. So what Zippy's gonna do for us is gently spread maybe a scoop nicely onto the bread, as pretty as you can. I mean, this looks great so far. Very nice, very nice. So go ahead and try another. Get as pretty as you can. You can even go ahead and, you know, make it look a little more inviting to eat. You could really just put as much as you want on there. I would say about a tablespoon. But you can really just put as much as you want on there. It's your preference. That's great. Really great job, Zippy. Really awesome job here. Okay, so this is about as best we're gonna get here today. So we'll go ahead and put this aside. All right, just gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit. Might get a little messy in the kitchen, no big deal. Right, we like it a little messy. Okay, so Zippy here, I have actually cut up a lot of our fruit. Today we have pineapple, kiwi, oranges, apples, blueberries, and some bananas. So the one thing I haven't cut up yet, we'll put this aside for now, is bananas. And Zippy here is gonna go ahead and show us how to cut up a banana. If you could just slice it very nicely. Let's go ahead and peel this for you. All right, Zippy, work your magic. That's great. Really great work. Okay, we're good here now. We're good. So we could put these aside. And I think we're just missing apples. So, Zippy, do you want to do the honors? Beautiful cuts. Looking great. That works. Good job. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to dress our fruit tarts with the lovely fruit we have cut up. So we're going to make them as pretty as possible and as colorful as possible. So what we can do is Zippy's going to make her own design with all the fruits here, her favorite style. Don't forget about the blueberries over here. Okay, looking great. Good job, Zippy. Looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna try one if you don't mind. I'm just gonna do my favorite one. So I'm maybe gonna do like a little happy face. Happy face. And I really love pineapple. Just gonna slap some of that on there. Maybe a bit of kiwi. Have you ever tried kiwi before? No? What do you think? Yes! And it's a go. Zippy loves it. If Zippy loves it, you'll love it. I mean, that's just obvious. Okay, yeah, so you can just go crazy with it. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. I guess Zippy can try hers. Just kind of, you know, put it all together. Boom, ready to go. And that's your fruit tart.